This is Daniel Luzzi, exercise 2 for information technology. For this assignment, I've kind of built off of the exercise 1 assignment, in which I chose the Beanie Babies that I had, which was the fox, and I've created 2 other web pages, 2 based on other Beanie Babies from my friend group, which were penguins and pugs. So for the facts and information, I took this from a website here. There's a bunch of information about foxes, some fun facts, even things I didn't know about. And I also embedded a YouTube video here that shows you just a couple of other little fun facts too about foxes. And it also takes place in San Diego, which is where I currently live. And so for penguins, I also have another video in here too that shows you interesting facts about penguins. And also too, some little fast facts about them with their lifespan. And then for the pugs, I also have 14 facts about pugs too. So this concludes my screencast. I will see you next time for the next exercise.